It's that time again. I have another Sleeve Chief box to open up with everybody. And I just love opening these with you guys. So we're going to do that again. I'm pretty sure this has some good sleeves in it. So let's... Oh, tape everywhere. Nice and secure. We like that. Especially for overseas shipments. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh. Let's turn it this way for you guys. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Okay, so these. Oh my gosh. Oh, I feel so. Oh, these are beautiful. All right, so we got the one-piece sleeves. Those are, I believe, sold out, but you never know when they'll restock things. And oh my gosh, those are gorgeous Ancient Fairy Dragon sleeves. Oh, I love that. Oh, I'm thinking my Purely deck is gonna have to be resleeved into those. And then, oh, it's the Pot of All dice. Oh my gosh, that's got some great heft. Wow, the timing is perfect. It is D&D night. I am rolling D6 damage with this. Oh, that's awesome. I'm so excited. I'm so excited I'm bumping the camera. And then these just actually dropped. I'm filming this on Friday. These dropped yesterday. These are their new oversleeves. And I'm excited about this as well because, like, especially if you're playing with more expensive cards in your deck, this is a great way to help really ensure those are nice and safe. Hi, Sasha. Sasha's excited too. She saw another box and she's like, oh, I gotta get in on that. So I'll definitely do some shuffle tests with these and tell you guys what I think, but I am very excited to try those out. So thank you so much, Sleeve Chief, for sending these, and I will see you guys soon. Bye! I almost forgot the most important part. I got distracted by a cute cat. If you want to get your own sleeves, there's a link in my bio. Code ART5 will save you 5% off. And if you are seeing this before Sunday, the 30th of April, you need to keep an eye out because they are doing a branded drop on Sunday, and I am fully expecting that to sell out like that because that's what their deck box. It's gonna be a deck box. It's gonna be a 2-player cloth playmat and 2 different designs of oversleeves. So do not miss out. You're welcome. You have been told in advance. Bye, guys.